Here we go, buddy. Get it. Bodie, come! Come on! No! Leave it! Leave it! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Get it! Hey, come here. Bodie! Come on, come on, come on. Get it. No. No. Yeah, he wants to sneak over to that table because they have food over there. Hey. Come on. Hey. Oh, oh gosh. Okay, you got it. Okay, and this guy has a ton of dog hair in his mouth.
Oh yeah.
I guess he just ate it. Hey, let me have it. Drop it. No. Hey. Hey. Drop it now. No. Ready? Ready? Get it. Goldie.
Here, grab it. There you go.
Hey, you put up a valiant effort.
You did.
No, drop it. No. 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 Drop it. Sit. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Get it. Bodhi. Oh, careful. Yeah, well, if you take all the rope away out of my hand, what can I hold on to? Uh-oh, nanny dog. Hey, sit. No. Bodhi, sit. Stay. No. No. Good boy. The nanny dog wants to interfere. Ready? Get it. Bodhi, come! No! Come on! Hey! No!
He just thinks he's a big dog. Hey, it's alright.
Come on, Bodhi! This way! Let's go, Bodhi! Come on! Bodhi, let's go. Up, now. No. Come on, up. Bodhi. No. 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 Bodhi. Bodhi, up. Good boy. Sit. No. Sit. Stay. Okay, so that's going to wrap up today's video. Bodhi and I, we hope you enjoyed watching. If you can, please give the thumbs up. Also leave a comment or question down below. Also, Bodhi and I, we want to thank everyone who watches the ads that helps support Bodhi. We appreciate it. And also a big thank you to everyone who pressed the thanks button and has donated to Bodhi. We appreciate that so much. And before we go, Bodhi and I, we want to say thank you to a few past viewers who left comments and or questions. Andrea Corbin, who I understand in your last comment that you're sick, so I hope you're doing well, Andrea Corbin. Diane, Commentary Talk. Good Days with Mohan Balai, who has a YouTube channel of his own, so if you can, please check him out. Teresa Akins, Lori Love, Diane Farley, Cheryl B, Debbie F, and Marlon Neal. Thank you so much for watching. So until next time, Bodhi and I, we hope we'll see you on the next episode of Bodhi's World. Everyone, take care.